Hi, my name is Elizabeth Summers, and this is my Interdisciplinary Studies Senior Capstone Final. The major that I have designed through the IS department is called Scientific Communication. During my first 3 years of college, I was taking physics, chemistry, meteorology, and calculus classes. During this time, it really occurred to me how important it is that science be communicated effectively. Scientific communication is a way that science-related information is presented to those less experienced in science, and how that information is perceived among different audiences. The communication tools used in educating scientific information are crucial to making sure the message is understood. As we progress through an era that is highly dependent on science and technology, it is so important for everyone to have an equal understanding when it comes to science. This is the reason that not understanding science can be dangerous. On the other hand, though, understanding science creates a better member of society. With an increasing amount of scientific and technological advancements, there is a higher demand for scientists, and the only way we can progress as a scientific culture is if we have people interested in these topics. The interest in science can start at a very young age, but it can also be deterred at a very young age as well. I believe that if science is educated with more communication in schools, then these children will grow up to more scientifically educated adults as well. In order to have scientists, we need to have people that are interested in science, and a lot of people aren't interested in science because of a class they took when they were a kid. My project is called Earth, Wind, Water: Interactive Scientific Exploration. The purpose of this project is to revolutionize the way we look at science. The way I did this was by putting together an easy understanding of basic scientific topics. In order to do this, I knew that I had to make this project interactive and interesting. I made this website to promote scientific awareness and pave the road for more scientific communication. By using my favorite 3 sports, sailing, rock climbing, and scuba diving, I thought it would make the project more personable and interesting to look at. The scientific genres of geology, meteorology, physics, and oceanography are split up in between these 3 sports. My hope is that by using this relatable form of education, people will be able to look at science in a different way than usual and take something away from it that they can apply to their own lives. I think that the basis for understanding science is to appreciate it. I knew that I wanted to target a younger audience while attracting a variety of audiences. I made sure the website was colorful, pleasing to look at, inviting, and exciting. One study I found said that people believe scientists exaggerate statistics, make facts too complicated to understand, act superior, and drive persuasion towards government funding. This proves to me that science should be conveyed in a more understandable way, and scientists should strive to be more relatable. Knowing this, I had to make sure that good intentions and proper communication were displayed on my website. To avoid being that kind of scientist, I used some specific guidelines such as using understandable language, using a logical flow of information, only using relevant information, using appealing colors and formatting, using accurate information, keeping the language simple, and using short sentences. Being able to look at this problem from such depth at an interdisciplinary standpoint has expanded how I look at other issues in life. Having a combination of resources and knowledge is definitely a way more effective and practical way to solve a problem. I'm glad that I was able to add communication to my knowledge of science and be able to express it easier and more efficiently. How people interact with each other and the world around them is fascinating. This is not an issue that could have been solved with one discipline. Science by itself is just that class you took in high school. But with communication, it turns into something pretty awesome. It turns into an interdisciplinary effort to further a very important understanding. This project helped me to summarize the experience I have gained combining science and communication. I'm excited to see interdisciplinary studies expand as a field and I'm hoping that scientific communication does as well. Thank you for listening.